Can I transfer Google Play balance to PayPal?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to answer a frequently asked question. Can I transfer my Google Play balance to my PayPal account? So let's dive in and figure this out.
Understanding Google Play balance.
Your Google Play balance is the amount of credit available in your Google Play account. This credit might come from Google Play gift cards, promotional codes, or credits from Google Opinion Rewards. You can use this balance to purchase various products from the Google Play Store such as apps, games, books, movies, and more.
Can I transfer my Google Play balance to PayPal?
To get straight to the point, no, you cannot directly transfer your Google Play balance to a PayPal account. Google does not provide an official method for directly transferring your Google Play balance into a PayPal account or any other external financial institution.
Are there any alternatives?
While you can't directly transfer your Google Play balance to PayPal, you do have a few alternatives. However, these methods can be risky and might violate Google's terms of service. Some people choose to use their Google Play balance to purchase items or currency in popular games, then resell those for real money on various online marketplaces. Please be advised, this approach is risky and can lead to your Google account being suspended or terminated. Therefore, it's best to use your Google Play balance for its intended purpose, purchasing digital goods directly from the Google Play Store. In conclusion, while it may be disappointing to some, there is currently no safe and sanctioned method to transfer your Google Play balance directly to your PayPal account. Your best bet is to spend your Google Play balance on goods within the Google Play Store, as Google intends. Thanks for watching, and remember to be careful and respect the terms of service for the platforms you use. We hope this video has clarified this common question and that you found the information useful. Until next time, take care.